Air India, Central Electronics Limited, Cement Corporation of India Limited, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, major airports of Delhi, Mumbai, Shipping Corporation of India, Container Corporation of India. The list is very long, and we all find that all these corporations are being sold to the private sector. So there is a privatization wave in the country. Why is it so? Are all these units incurring losses or earning a lot of profit? And by privatization, who's going to benefit? Is it the private sector or is it government? So there are so many questions that arise the moment we discuss about privatization. So let us find out what exactly do we mean by privatization and who is the actual beneficiary. Let's get started. Hello everyone. Welcome to our Eco Studies channel. I am Poonam Vohra, your instructor from Egypt Economics Learning Center, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are releasing our series for all the 4 subjects to give you an insight about the courses offered at our website that will enable you to prepare well for your CBSE and CUET examinations. Before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't, hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any of our valuable free videos. If you like the content, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Follow us on our Instagram and Facebook page. Now let's begin. Privatization means increasing the role of private sector in the economy. And why was it required? Simply because the public sector exhibited poor performance due to low productivity, poor management, overstaffing, inefficiency, lack of accountability, lack of technical upgradation, inadequate research and development, low priority to human resources development, and lack of autonomy. Since public sector units have bulk of involvement in basic and heavy industries, rate of return on investment was declining and some of them became chronically sick. Hence, privatization was encouraged. Privatization was achieved in 2 ways. One, through de-reservation of industries, that is, to encourage the entry of private units in areas which were earlier reserved for public sector. And second was disinvestment, that is, to transfer public sector units to private sector. Let's learn more about de-reservation. Reservation means reserved for public sector. In Industrial Policy Resolution of 1956, 17 industries were reserved for the public sector and another 12 industries were earmarked to be gradually undertaken by public sector. In 1991, except 5, all industries were de-reserved. That is, private sector was allowed to operate in these industries. The 5 industries reserved for public sector are of strategic and security concerns in which government control is a necessity. These industries were distillation and brewing of alcoholic drinks, cigars and cigarettes of tobacco, electronic, aerospace and defense equipment, industrial explosives, and specific hazardous chemicals. With de-reservation, public sector units are now no more monopolies and they are required to compete with the private sector. Hence, they have no option but to increase their efficiency. And that was the main purpose of encouraging privatization. Disinvestment means selling off the shares of public sector companies to private individuals and institutions. Earlier, shares of public sector units were owned by the government. This step was necessary because many public sector units were continuously running into losses and not being managed efficiently. Disinvestment provides for fiscal support by supporting the expansion of activities in education, health and medicine, or by paying off past debts, thereby bring down the interest burden of government. It also enhances efficiency of the working of enterprises by inducting the public into the ownership structure. By doing so, accountability will increase and the shareholders would require to be compensated, which will compel the enterprises to run more efficiency, to earn more profits. It will also result in greater autonomy for the functioning of public sector enterprises. So, disinvestment can be regarded as a tool for enhancing efficiency. The main elements of government policy towards public sector units are to bring down the government equity in all non-strategic public sector units to 26% or lower if necessary. Restructure and revive potentially viable public sector units. Close down all such public sector units which cannot be revived and fully protect the interest of workers. By doing so, disinvestment hence increases accountability. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master the concepts in economics. You will find more than 300 lecture videos aligned with the latest recommendations of CBSE curriculum. And with our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the course for just rupees 999. So seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires and score high grades in CBSE examination as well as in CUET entrance examination. Like, share and subscribe to Eco Studies channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.